Hello, my name is Miss Grammar. I will be your flight attendant during the journey to English Grammarland. Fasten your seatbelts and welcome on board. Lesson 13. In, on, at, place. General rule. Select the correct prepositions of place according to the dynamic relationship between the two objects. For example, a key can be in the door, at the door, or on the door, depending on the relationship between the key and the door. At is associated with a point. For example, the people are at the check-in counter. In is related to an enclosed area. The pilots are in the cockpit. On is related to a surface. The aircraft is on the runway. At the corner, at the door, at the front desk, at the crossroads, at the entrance, at the end of the road. In a suitcase, in a car park, in Rio de Janeiro, in my pocket, in a lounge, in Brazil. On the roof, on the wall, on a menu, on a page, on the 5th floor, on a foot. Standard expressions for at home, at work, at school, at the top, at the bottom, at reception. For in the sky, in a row, in the newspaper, in the water, in Santa Clara, in the street. For on the left, on the right, on the way, on TV, on the radio. Exceptions for on a plane, on a bus, on a train, on a ship. Exceptions for in a car, in a taxi, in a helicopter, in a boat. Where are they?
The airplane is on the runway. The airplane is in the sky. The passenger is standing at the window. He is sitting on the floor.
She is sitting on the suitcase. The pilots are in the cockpit. The pilot is smiling at the camera. They are playing on the beach.
Pilot John is on a plane, on a ship, in a boat, on a bus, in a taxi, on a train, in a helicopter, in a car.
See the difference.
The airplane just landed at the airport. The passengers are walking in the airport. Jane is looking in the overhead compartment. She is keeping her hands on it. There is nothing in the overhead compartment.
The next lesson, lesson 14, in, on, at, time.